To Sunrise. We're talking this morning with Michael Finney from an organization called Law Tigers. Mike, good morning. Thanks for talking with us.
Thank you.
All
Yeah,
right.
I just wanted to introduce myself. We are Mississippi's motorcycle lawyers.
And so what are some of the things that the Law Tigers do? Give us an example.
We take care of riders. We're all riders ourselves, so we specialize in just motorcycle injuries. So if you know of anybody who goes down, unfortunately, we hope nobody ever does, but if they do, all we do is motorcycles. So we specialize in that. And we want to
Now,
make sure that we take care of the riders.
I was looking at your website earlier, and it looks like there are a lot of people involved with this. This is a pretty big organization.
Yeah, we're all over the United States. We're in almost just about every state. So we've expanded drastically. We've been doing this for almost 20 years now. So we got the ability to really take care of somebody.
And you mentioned earlier to me that you have some events coming up, some things that you want to let people know about that you're involved with.
Yes, we also do events all the time, and we love partnering with charities. We're partnering with the Veterans Appreciation Committee this time, and there's a big event. It's the first annual event they put on this year at the Battlefield drag strip, and it's called the Freedom Blowout. So 4th of July weekend, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, they're going to have some great things going on. They're going to have some Harley Bagger drag races, a bike show, a car show, some car drag races. They're going to have prizes, a lot of stuff for the kids. They're going to have bouncy houses. They're going to have water slides.
Wow.
They're going to have some games for the bikers and stuff too. A huge fireworks show. They even got primitive camping. So there's a lot of stuff going on. They're also going to have some live music. They're going to have a dunking booth. They're going to have church on Sunday. They're going to have some live music by Fresh Air, the CMAs, which is the Christian Motorcycle Association. They're going to be blessing bikes so they can come by and get their bike blessed. So a lot of different events happening. I know a lot of places have canceled fireworks shows for the 4th due to COVID.
Right.
So this is a really big open field, and everybody can social distance properly, and they can enjoy themselves and really see a good fireworks show and see have a bunch of amazing fun things to do.
Yeah, it sounds like it's going to be a really good time. You also mentioned a contest to me. Sort of explain that.
We also have a contest going on with Law Tigers. People can go to lawtigers.com. It's real easy. At the top, there'll be a link they can click, and we have over a $40,000 prize package. It's a trip to Sturgis. It's called Styling and Sturgis Sweepstakes in 2020. They got camping at Glencoe Campground. They got some custom jewelry. They got custom stuff to do to your motorcycle. You come up there, and they'll put stereos in it. They put exhaust on it. They can do all kinds of stuff. So over a $40,000 value, so prize pack. And anybody can just go to lawtigers.com. It's just real simple. Put your name and email and zip code in, and they can click the enter. It won't take but a second. It don't cost anything.
Really cool. Is that something that you guys do every year or have done before?
We have done it last year, and we're trying to, just get some more people aware of Law Tigers, and that we can help people. And it's to help to give somebody maybe a dream vacation, because a lot of guys who are riders, they dream of going to Sturgis. It's the biggest motorcycle rally in the world.
Sure.
And some people that might not have the opportunity, because it does get very costly. We'd like to bless somebody and say, hey, look, why don't you go enter to win?
Yeah, absolutely. It sounds like a good deal. I'm sure someone's really going to appreciate that. Let's talk a little bit about the history of Law Tigers and sort of how you guys got started.
Well, there was two lawyers, a father and son, and they decided that they wanted to. They were lawyers already. They decided there's a niche that they could do. We started in Arizona, Phoenix, Arizona. That's where we're based out of.
Okay.
And they started a law practice, and they focused on motorcycles. And they were riders too, and they saw that there were some loopholes, and that there were some people that was being left aside. Because just even a motorcycle accident, the physics are totally different from a motorcycle versus a car. They stop differently, they react differently. So
Okay.
they took all the data and specialized in it so that we can help a specialized community. And we've grown drastically over the years, so we can help millions of people.
And if somebody needs help in that arena and wants to reach out to Law Tigers, what's the best way to do that?
They can call 1-800-LAW-TIGERS. It's 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We have people that's on staff that we can take their calls. It don't cost anything. They don't have to worry about any cost up front. We don't charge anything unless we actually win a case for you. We'll give you free legal advice pertaining to motorcycles. we also have a couple other added benefits for riders. So we take care of riders because we're all riders too. You get your bike stolen, you get involved in a hit and run, we'll offer a $10,000 reward towards the felony arrest and conviction of the person who did it. So that's another added benefit. You know, we love riders. You know, we're a tight knit community, and a lot of bikers, they call it a brotherhood. So we want to make sure that we take care of everybody.
And I'm sure it's very reassuring to a lot of the people that you represent that you have this one particular focus.
Yeah, because they might call somebody else, and they might not know this, might not know the specialty of it, and they might not get the benefits of it. I've heard a case the other day where they actually said that's not our specialty, and we're not going full with it because we're not making enough money. And they called a couple loggers. I said, we'll call Law Tigers. You know, we'll make sure. I mean, it don't matter if it's small or big. We want to try to help every biker.
And I also noticed on your website, there's a lot of information on your website too.
Yeah. They can see previous cases. They can see testimonies. And like I said, we want to give all the information that we can and try to help. And it's free. Just call 1-800-LAW-TIGERS, and that's all they have to do.
All right, Mike, that's all I have. Is there anything else that you'd like to add to the conversation?
No, I think that's about it. I sure appreciate your time, and thank you for letting me share some stuff that's going on and share about Law Tigers. I sure appreciate it.
Hey, no problem. Thank you very much. Now we're going to send it over to Vanessa. She's got another check on that forecast. Vanessa.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.